In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPad camera quality. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, firstly is the microfiber rule. Unlike iPhones, iPads are often held in ways that leave massive palm prints directly over the camera lens. So try and get a dry, lint-free microfiber cloth to wipe the lens in a circular motion. And don't use your shirt, paper towels, or a glass cleaner, and these can like scratch or strip the oleophobic, which is oil repelling coating that applies to the lens. And what you can also do is toggle scene detection and lens correction. So what we want to do is go over to our settings application, go ahead and scroll down until you find camera, which is going to show your camera settings. Now you're going to see a lot of different things here, but if you see an option where it shows like scene detection, turn it off, and toggle lens correction off as well, which is going to make a big difference. And you can also lock your focus. So what you want to do is open up your camera application, and then you're going to see like AE and AF lock. And once locked, the camera will stop refocusing, which might be essential for what you're doing. You can even preserve certain settings you want as well, which can be very, useful. As for formats, I would recommend doing high efficiency, but most compatible will always use JPEG and H.264. But 4K at 60 FPS and 1080p at 240 FPS require high efficiency. So just for more compatibility, I would just recommend switching to high efficiency. And obviously for your video, you can crank it up to 4K 60 if you want to as well. And you can do the same thing for slow-mo. For sound, I would just always recommend stereo, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.